on the show and put our focus on what's been happening in Telangana. And we are specifically keeping our focus on the state BJP. Is there some bit of crisis? Are there some bit of cracks in the BJP unit in the state of Telangana? Because remember, after the entry of E. Rajendra, who just joined the BJP some days ago, now two prominent BJP netas from the Telangana unit have quit. They are unhappy with his entry. But what really does that mean? And how is the state BJP actually fighting that crisis? We get you more in this report.
Former TRS strongman Iyetala Rajendra joining the BJP was seen as a big boost to the Saffron Party to make inroads in Telangana. But a month after his induction, reports have emerged of some BJP leaders being unhappy. Two senior leaders have already resigned from the Telangana BJP. Motukupalli Narasimhalu and former Minister E. Peddi Reddy have quit in protest.
My dissent was, I am the local leader, I am the core committee leader. I contested 4 times from that place. Twice I was a minister. Now I am looking after the constituency. So before taking him, they should inform me. At least information, not for the confirmation. At least they should take me into the consideration. That was not happening. Not only me, even the local cadre also. They are also disappointed. The outside the district, outside the constituency, everybody is informed, everybody is involved into that, except me.
A few days back also another BJP leader had resigned and stated that has the BJP party asked and spoken about Iyetala Rajendra land grabbing case which has been taken up by the TRS party? Well, now it all remains to be seen because there seems to be many leaders unhappy with the Iyetala Rajendra joining into the BJP. However, senior leaders also state in the BJP that there is no such crisis-like situation.
The BJP is now downplaying the rift.
No, party stand is very clear. We welcome leaders from other parties also to increase our base in the Telangana area. And similarly, the people who came to the party, they can't dictate the party whom to take or whom not to take. Iyetala Rajendra has decided to join the Bharatiya Janata Party, and after meeting our national leaders and discussing with the local leaders, he joined our party. So there cannot be any grounds for the other leaders for his joining.
State BJP leader believed that E. Peddi Reddy felt insecure about his fortune after Iyetala Rajendra's joining, as both of them belong to the same constituency. Will Iyetala Rajendra's induction backfire for the BJP? Bureau Report, Republic TV.